different type of ways. Told these bitches and these hoes that I'm not gonna change.